Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to see how to install a satellite server using the online installation tool. The satellite server's online installation tool supports RHEL, AlmaLinux, and Red Hat operating systems in their 8 versions. This satellite server is particularly useful for monitoring remote networks, inaccessible from Pandora FMS server, either by forwarding the software agent monitoring to Pandora FMS server or by monitoring devices remotely. To use it, you will need to have an enterprise environment. Let's start from Pandora FMS enterprise environment already installed. If you don't already have a Pandora FMS environment, you may take a look at the description where you will see more information on how to install Pandora FMS Enterprise. Once you have your Pandora FMS environment installed, access the server where you will install the satellite server. Now define the different variables necessary to run the online installer properly. The TZ variable sets the time zone of the satellite server. In Pandora server IP variable, set the IP address or domain name of Pandora FMS server the satellite server will point to. With the satellite key variable, define the license to use, although it is an optional parameter since the latest versions of the satellite take the license automatically. The remote config variable enables the satellite and its agent's remote configuration. And finally, there's also the possibility of installing the monitoring software agent with the variable install agent, which you may also configure additionally with the same parameters as the online installation script of the software agent. Once you have defined all the parameters, run the online installation tool together with them. Press the Enter key to start the installation process of the satellite server and its dependencies in an automated manner. When the installation process is complete, run the following command to start the satellite server. Once done, go to Pandora FMS console. From your Pandora FMS console, go to Servers, Manage Servers, where you may see that the satellite server appears in the list of servers, and with this, you will have finished the installation of the satellite server through the online installation tool. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions, or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.